Welcome back to Mystery Facts USA. In today's video, we're diving into part 3 of our series on 101 interesting facts from around the world. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover some of the most fascinating and mind-blowing facts you've ever heard. Fact 22. Comets smell like rotten eggs. Did you know that comets have a distinct smell? Surprisingly, comets smell like a mix of rotten eggs, urine, burning matches, and almonds. This bizarre scent comes from the presence of chemicals like hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen cyanide, which were detected on the comet 67P, Churyumov-Gerasimenko. In 2016, promotional postcards were even created to capture this pungent aroma, giving people a chance to experience the scent of a comet firsthand. Imagine sending someone a postcard that smells like space. It's a cosmic odor like no other. Fact 23. Earth's poles are moving. The Earth's magnetic poles aren't as stationary as you might think. Over the past 71 million years, the magnetic north and south poles have flipped 171 times. This phenomenon, known as geomagnetic reversal, is long overdue for another flip. The North Pole is currently shifting at a rate of around 55 kilometers per year, a significant increase from the 15 kilometers per year was moving before 1990. Could the next flip happen in our lifetime? Only time will tell, but the idea of living through such a cosmic event is both thrilling and a little unnerving. Fact 24. You can actually die laughing. Laughter is often called the best medicine, but did you know it can also be deadly? Intense laughter can sometimes lead to heart attacks or suffocation, resulting in death. Throughout history, there have been recorded cases of people literally dying from laughter. While it's rare, it's a stark reminder that even something as joyful as laughter can have unexpected consequences. So next time you're watching a comedy show, maybe don't laugh too hard. Fact 25. Chainsaws were first invented for childbirth. When you think of chainsaws, you probably imagine them being used for cutting wood. But did you know they were originally invented for childbirth? In the late 18th century, Scottish doctors developed the chainsaw to assist in a surgical procedure called symphysiotomy, which involved widening the pubic cartilage during childbirth. This early chainsaw was much smaller and less powerful than the ones we use today, but it was instrumental in making difficult births less traumatic. It wasn't until the early 20th century that chainsaws began being used for woodcutting. Quite the evolution, right? Fact 26. Ants don't have lungs. Ants are fascinating creatures, and one of the most interesting things about them is that they don't have lungs. Instead of breathing through lungs like mammals do, ants take in oxygen through tiny openings called spiracles located along the sides of their bodies. These spiracles allow air to flow directly into the ant's body, where it diffuses through a network of tubes to reach every cell. This unique respiratory system is one of the reasons ants are so resilient and able to thrive in a wide variety of environments. Fact 27. The T-Rex likely had feathers. The mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex, one of the most fearsome predators to ever walk the earth, might not have looked exactly like the scaly monster we imagine. Recent discoveries in China have revealed that some of the T-Rex's early relatives had feathers, suggesting that the T-Rex itself likely had feathers too. These findings are changing the way we think about dinosaurs, showing that many of them were more bird-like than we previously thought. Imagine a T-Rex covered in feathers. It's a whole new way of looking at this ancient giant. Fact 28. Football teams wearing red kits play better. Color psychology is a fascinating field, and it turns out that the color of a football team's kit can influence how well they play. A review of football matches over the last 55 years revealed that teams wearing red kits tend to perform better in home matches compared to those wearing other colors. The color red is often associated with power, aggression, and dominance, which could explain why teams dressed in red might feel more confident and perform better on the field. So next time you're supporting your favorite team, pay attention to the color they're wearing. It might just give them the edge they need. Fact 29. Wind turbines kill thousands of birds each year. Wind energy is a crucial part of our efforts to combat climate change, but it comes with its own set of challenges. In the UK alone, wind turbines are responsible for the deaths of between 10,000 and 100,000 birds each year. However, there's an innovative solution to this problem. Painting one of the blades of a wind turbine black has been shown to reduce bird deaths by up to 70%. This simple change could make a big difference in protecting our feathered friends while still harnessing the power of the wind. Fact 30. Snails have thousands of teeth. When you think of animals with lots of teeth, snails probably aren't the first creatures that come to mind. But these slow-moving mollusks actually have between 1,000 and 12,000 tiny teeth. These teeth are located on a file-like tongue called a radula, which snails use to scrape food into their mouths. While their teeth are microscopic, they're incredibly effective, allowing snails to eat a variety of foods, from plants to small insects. So next time you see a snail, remember it's carrying around a miniature arsenal of teeth. Fact 32. A horse normally has more than 1 horsepower. The term horsepower is often used to describe the power of engines, but how does it compare to the power of an actual horse? Surprisingly, a horse can produce up to 24 horsepower at its peak. This was discovered in a 1993 study that measured the maximum power output of a horse. So the next time you hear about a car with 300 horsepower, just imagine the equivalent of 12.5 horses running at full speed. Fact 33. Your signature could reveal personality traits. Did you know that your signature could say a lot about your personality? A study conducted in 2016 found that the size of a person's signature can be linked to certain personality traits. Among men, a larger signature is often associated with higher social bravado, while among women, it may indicate narcissistic tendencies. Of course, this doesn't mean you should read too much into every signature you see, but it's an interesting insight into how our handwriting can reflect who we are. That's it for part 03 of our 101 Interesting Facts of the World series. We hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mystery Facts USA for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.